Welcome to Rusty Hammer Forge Tutorials, where we break down blacksmithing and bladesmithing projects step by step for you to try. On today's episode, we're going to be walking you through making a figure-8 hairpin. Here are just a few things you will need to complete this project: hammers, tongs or pliers, needle nose pliers, scrolling hardy, anvil, heat source, bucket of water, and 1/4 inch round stock. Step 1. Measuring your material. For this project, we need 2 pieces of 1/4 inch round stock that are 6 inches long. And since my anvil face is 3 inches wide, I'll use it to measure where to cut. Step 2. Drawing out your points. You will first square up your material by flat spotting 2 sides, alternating back and forth between those 2 sides until your material's point is a tapered cuboid. You will then turn your material continuously while hammering until all your corners have been rounded off. Step 3. Scrolling your bow. Using the scrolling hardy, you will put your material in between the vertical posts and pull towards you gently till you have formed a slight curve. You will then use a hammer, gently persuading the material to form an S shape. Step 4. Sizing your scroll. Using the horn of your anvil, you will place one end of your S-shaped material over the horn and hammer down on the material while pushing your tongs towards the ground. Periodically straighten your work by switching to the anvil face, then back to the horn until both ends of your S-shape are aligned and pointing directly at each other. Step 5. Reverse scrolling your bow. Using your needle nose pliers, you will place the tip of your piece in the jaws and rotate the pliers up and away from you in a rolling motion to form a reverse scroll. You will then use your horn and face of the anvil to realign your bow with the now scrolled ends once again pointing directly at each other. Step 6. Setting the bow. Place the bow over the horn near the cutting table. Hammer down gently on one side, then the other, working back and forth until you formed a smooth, even warp through the center of your piece. Step 7. Scrolling the pin. Using the horn of your anvil, rest the tip of your pin just forward of the horn and gently hammer it down to form a soft curve at the end. You will then place the pin on the face of your anvil with the point up and gently hammer towards yourself, rolling up the point into a closed scroll. Step 8. Offsetting your scroll. After cooling the scrolled end, place the pin on the anvil face with the scroll hanging just off the edge. Gently hammer the scroll down, centering the eye with the body of the pin. Step 9. Fitting the pin. Insert the pin through one scroll of the bow and test the fit through the other. If it's too tight, remove the pin and use the horn to gently deepen the warp. Once the pin slides freely through both scrolls, lightly tighten the reverse scrolls until the pin fits snugly but won't fall out. And here's the finished figure-8 hairpin. Simple, clean, and elegant. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. Stay safe out there, be well, and as always, forge on.